nature, architecture, and 5 elements. Part 2.
Natural nature 1.3. Architecture in nature or nature in architecture. Both are same. If your building is comprised of 5 noble and natural elements, sky, air, fire, water and earth, with a balance, you can think that you are living in harmony with nature.
Natural nature 2.3. You will experience happiness and peace in your single life with nature, just as each element is associated with different structures and functions in our human body.
Natural nature 3.3. In the same way, every element in our building also has its own function which affects our body, mind and brain, expressed through our behavior and actions.
About sky. The sky element in a state of balance inspires wisdom and awareness to realize new and creative ideas. It represents expansion and growth. It also affects our mind and heart. Enhancing the sky element helps you to easily sync your energies with the universal energies.
About air. Air element has the most basic relationship with our life. Our body can survive only by breathing. Air represents movement, joy and happiness. In a balanced state, air inspires courage and perseverance to achieve your goals.
About fire. In a balanced position, fire inspires power, confidence, fame, recognition and wealth. Fire is the driving force behind all life processes. The fire element is the element of love and all matters of the heart. Fire represents our relationship with ourselves and others.
About water 1.2. The water element is a great life force. Water is also known to have healing powers. About 70% of the earth and our bodies are made up of water. Water contains nutritional energy. When water is in a balanced state, it inspires a spiritual and philosophical approach to life.
About water 2.2. In virtues, water is associated with the power of new thoughts, ideas, healing energy and the concept of restoration of health. It also has an effect on feelings, emotions and intuition.
About earth 1.2. The earth element is the most powerful of all elements. The earth is our source of stability. Earth represents balance and dominates center and diagonal directions. In a balanced position, it induces a feeling of stability, peace and harmony.
About Earth 2.2. In human attributes, strengthening the earth element enhances the strength of mind, steadfastness, determination and uninterrupted advancement towards a goal.
We'll be back soon with a new topic and new video. Stay connected with us.
Don't forget to like, share the channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hope it will help you to make aware about right decision. Thank you.